पे पड़े हुए हैं, 2 महीने से बच्चों को क्या खिलाएंगे। यहाँ पे काम धंधा था, मजदूरी है, काम धंधा कर लेते, रोज बच्चों को खिला लेते। अब यहाँ पे 2 महीने से कौन दे रहा है हमारे लिए? वो कोई नहीं दे रहा है। घर में कह देते हैं सरकार दे रही, वो दे रहा है, कोई नहीं दे रहा है बच्चों के लिए।
कहता घर जाने के लिए भी कहता 2500 रुपया टिकट, 2500 रुपया। अब दो मियाँ बीवी में 5000 रुपया हम कहाँ से लाएंगे?
बिहार बलिया वाले इस तरफ जाते रहे, गोरखपुर वाले इधर जाते रहे, बाकी सब लोग इधर जाते रहे। कोई भी यहाँ बैठेगा नहीं, सब पीछे नहीं लगाएंगे। ये पीछे निकालो, पीछे को उठा, सबको कोई नहीं बैठेगा यहाँ। उठा सबको, उठा। यहाँ मर्जी बैठ जा रहे अपनी मर्जी से। सीधी लाइन लगा, पीछे काटो यहाँ।
Many cities are witnessing scenes like these since India announced a countrywide lockdown to halt the spread of coronavirus. Most of these people you are seeing are daily wage workers who had come to cities in search of a better future for their children and for themselves. But those dreams have now been crushed because most factories are shut and they don't have any jobs or money. Desperate, all they want is to get home, but they can't. They're just stuck in the middle, like under this bridge in Delhi where we are at the moment.
कि सरकार हम लोग को बोला जितना मजदूर गरीब है सब आएगा।
यूपी में जान घुसने दे रहे यूपी वाले। ना आप उनसे बात कर लो, सीनियर अफसरों से बात।
Such scuffles are happening at borders between different states as police try to regulate the movement of migrants. Many of them are being picked from borders and taken to shelter homes, and in some cases, even in suffocating basements of hotels and malls.
This is a family of 5 and they have 3 little children, and I'll show you, come here. This is a small cycle. This is a small cycle on which a child is sitting, one is walking and one is the mother is carrying. And this family of 5 has to walk about 300 kilometers to get home. And you can just imagine how difficult their journey is going to be on this cycle, under this scorching sun, without much food, water.
हमें तो भिखारी से भी बेहतर बना दिया इन लोगों ने। जिस सब मजदूर भैया को सबको हम ही की वजह से सरकार चलती है, हमारी वजह से सरकार जहाँ तक है प्रशासन विदेशों से जाता है, हमारी गरीबों की मेहनत का जाता है जहाँ तक जाता है, मगर गरीबों को सर बेकार कर दिया है सारे लोगों ने।
इन्हें लॉकडाउन करना था तो 10 दिन की मोहलत दे देते, 5 दिन की मोहलत देते, जिसको घरे जाना है वो चला जाता घरे। यहाँ भूखे प्यासे क्यों मरता?
The fear of looming hunger and an uncertain future has made these people take these difficult journeys back home. They just want to go however they can. Most of them are walking, some of them have taken rides in lorries, some of them have gone in tuk-tuks, and some of them have gone even in tankers. That's how desperate they are to reach their homes. So we are in Ghaziabad district in Uttar Pradesh state. It borders the national capital of Delhi. This is a state from where millions of people go to cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune and Chennai to find work. Now all of them want to go back home, and that is proving to be very difficult for authorities here. So we are in a collection center. What you're seeing here, that these people have been collected from highways and streets across the district, and they've been brought here, and in batches they are going to be sent to their homes. But the sheer number is making it difficult to follow norms like